make a water kefir, so live cultured probiotic beverage. It's much in the same general vein as kombucha, but has a couple of really key differences. We use a culture called a water kefir grain. So you're actually getting a totally different blend and balance of the good strains of bacteria and yeast than you would be getting in a kombucha or in any other cultured or fermented product. After the fermentation is complete, we just flavor with single strength fruit juices and fruit purees. I really wanted to appeal to people that maybe wouldn't normally have been shopping in the probiotic beverage sector. Maybe they were coming for a light soda or sweetened iced tea or whatever. We wanted to kind of create this unique happy medium that has a little bit of the best of both worlds. We've had a great experience working with Market of Choice. Market of Choice was the first store ever to take our product on, so all of that meant the world to us as we were navigating getting into this business. So yeah, super grateful.